So I want to talk about how to use Fresh Expert Glitch and why it should be used for expert runs and why Expert in Cuphead is a bit different from New Game Plus and other games. All you have to do is go into a file that has Expert unlocked and highlight the Expert option and then exit to menu, and whichever file you select afterwards will have Expert highlighted even if it's a completely new file. So start a new file and you'll be on Expert in the new file. Usually, Expert is only accessible in the same file that you completed a playthrough on, which would mean that you'd have immediate access to fighting the devil and access to all of the equipment in the game. And it would also mean that an Expert no damage run would require you to keep using a file that's already been progressed and start re-killing bosses that have already been killed in an unintended order with weapons that you've already gotten and paths that you've already unlocked. But there's a much cleaner and simpler way to start an expert no damage run, which is to just use the fresh expert glitch to start a new file with the expert option available. So just go into the difficulty menu and you'll see the cursor off screen, which means that expert is selected, and just go into the fights like this. There's no reason to switch back to regular at all, but if you mess it up, you have to go back to the other file for a sec, but it's not a big deal because you're allowed to pause as long as you're not in a level.